Hello everyone, we are hacks in academia and entrepreneur that love to help other entrepreneurs. Today we will talk about how to test our website with Go High Level. First we go to the option sites on our left side menu. Then we click on the website we want to test. Then on this page you will notice Terry's multiple options pages, stats, sales, and settings. We are going to select the option settings. Here we are going to select the domain we want to run our website in. One of the most important parts is that we have to make sure our payment mode is live as we are showing here. Then we are going back to the option pages in here. Once we are here we go to the option visit funnel. This option is going to take us directly to our website. Once we're here we are going to click on the options of our menu. In this example I am going to click in products, the option reviews and is not working. Now I'm making my notes to fix it after. I'm going to repeat this step with every single option on my menu. I'm going to test the buttons and it's working. Try the next one and that one worked too. Then I'm scrolling down a little bit and I'll try the calendar and it's also working. Clicked on try demo and also worked. If you click in here then settings, you'll see the edit page options, which is the name and path of each page on your website. This refers specifically to the word your website will have at the ending path of the URL. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.